Have you ever spent hours tweaking your AI prompts, only to end up with a character that looks totally different in every image? Like, why is one version a badass warrior, and the next looks like he just walked out of a shampoo commercial? Yep, you're not alone. Most people mess up consistent character creation in Leonardo AI because they skip a few crucial steps. Let's fix that today. All right. So if you want consistency, the first step is training your character with Leonardo's image generation and fine-tuning tools. Here's what I do. Pick 4 to 6 base images of your character. Try different angles, but with the same outfit, hairstyle, and vibe. Upload those to the training tool and create a custom model. When you prompt, always use the same character name you gave it, like Alara Redcloak or Cyber Ninja Kenji. This acts like a tag. Here's the gold. Add a prompt preset, like portrait of character name, wearing red armor, long black braid, cinematic lighting, ultra detailed style. This keeps the look consistent even across different scenes. I once used it to put my character in a snowy forest in a neon city, and it still looked like the same person. Pro tip no one talks about. Use negative prompts like do not change hairstyle, avoid face distortion, no double eyes to avoid those weird inconsistencies. I learned this the hard way after wasting a whole weekend trying to recreate a fantasy character for my comic. Now I can generate 10 shots of the same character in different poses within minutes. If that helped, imagine what more you'll learn. Hit that subscribe button if you want more no-fluff creative AI tips. Drop a comment if you've had character chaos, and I'll help you out. Keep creating. You got this. Thanks for watching.